This is DC Channel Guns. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Alright, YouTube, this is DC, and I'm doing an unboxing. This is an Iprotec 120 lumen LED firearm lighting laser, and it's rail mounted, and it's a good little light, very inexpensive, and also this is a unique light, and I looked at a lot of lights, and I wanted to find a cheap but a good light to suit my needs. So we're gonna take a look at it. This is by Iprotec. You can find them at academies, and they're at Academy. They're a good, decent price. They're probably about one of the cheapest ones out of the bunch that you can find at academies. So it's saying it have a 2 light option. It's got just a regular white light and strobe. So, and it's have a removable flip up red lens filter. We're gonna take a look at that too. So this what comes with it. So it comes with everything that you need. So it comes with like different switches for laser, one for laser and one for the light. So alright, let's open it up. See what we get on the inside of it. Alright, let's put this over here. Right here I see that we got the little wrench tools. The little wrench tools, and also one is smaller and one is bigger, so we'll find out what that's all about. Here goes the little switches. There go the other little switch right here. Got a nice little mount to it, and they got Iprotec up there. Okay, and then there go that right there. That's another switch. So, alright. And then we're going to look at the book. Alright. So there go your light right here. Let me turn it straight. I had it upside down, I'm assuming. Yeah, thought I had it right anyway. Maybe that's the back side of it. So, alright, there we go. So this is the little booklet. And it's got it formatted. So that's nice. Alright. This is a little booklet that you get with instructions, installation. Alright, let's look at this. Let's look at the light itself. Alright, yeah, nice little light. And it's all one piece. So both of them. Okay, and I see, okay. And the little laser comes on too, doesn't it? Yeah. And it's got a little toggle switch on it. Okay. Alright. Let me see what else they got out there. There you go. That's the red with the little. Let me flip it. Yeah, that's the white light. All right. And then you see right here the little film. So if you close it, there's red, there's white. And I'm gonna cut the laser on. And I got the laser on. You can't hardly see the laser with the light on. Then you can see the laser. Let's see me close that. Then you can see the laser. Okay. Alright. Let me cut the laser off. There you go. Oh yeah, that light bright, very bright. Yeah, this is, and like once again, this is the Iprotec light. So what I'm gonna do, they take this one, 123 A battery. So this is the battery that it takes right here. So let me see. I know the light take that. Let me see what this laser light takes. Let me see. See what battery it takes. Okay, so it takes the little watch battery, and it look like it takes 2 of them. So it takes 2 of the little watch batteries, and the batteries come with it. So just to let you know, just in case you wanted, batteries come with it. Yeah, the batteries came with it. I ain't put no batteries or nothing in it. It came with it, so that's a good thing. Yep. So all right, this is DC. Bring you the Iprotec Security Protected 120 lumen lead firearm light and laser. So this is a review of it, and I'm gonna wrap this up. This is DC with the DC channel. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. This is DC Channel Guns. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.